What's up? I'm facing a bit of body dilemma. I am really bloated. I need ICT. I'm really bloated, and I need to get coffee this morning. Oh, look at my nails. But anyway, I'm really bloated, and yeah, what always helps when I'm bloating is detoxing and waist training. I don't have my proper waist trainer. I use my fitness belt, and I have the old design. I'm so hyped to get the new design. I'm so hyped. I'm like, I can wear that under my clothes. I'm going to experiment with it. I want to do shoots with it. I want my fitness belt to look like how I've always wanted it to, and just with this do over, or with this second time around, I'm nervous. I won't lie, I'm very, very nervous, but I'm like, is daddy gonna be like, screw you, I've come this far, ho, I ain't going no further? That's not who he is, so look how you sound. Oh wow. Are we have to carry to school in here? No. You have to. Jaleel, why? But why I don't want to go to school? What? You want to go tomorrow? But Jaleel, so you go to school tomorrow? Okay.
I'll go to school in 90 million years.
Jaleel is petrified. They're not. Come here, Papa. Come here.
Mommy?
Hold on, John. You're not going to go to school here, Papa? He's petrified, yeah, Papa, of school.
Mama, I just saw a black thing like speed cross and just disappear.
Oh, cool.
Into thin air.
Into what kind of ear?
Thin air.
What kind of ear?
Air.
Thin ear. THIN, not thin. Thin
It's
ear.
like in the front just disappear.
Okay.
Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Hop in this truck since a boom. I'll take the man to the tomb.
So here's an unsensitive fact about me. If you meet me, you're probably going to meet me with ashy hands, because I don't like to lotion, isn't it? Because I remember I didn't know it was called hyperhidrosis, and I just figured that I was sweating a lot, and I figured I say every time I put on lotion I sweat more, so I say I'm not bother put on lotion, so that's where it's all coming from. But now it's at the rainy season, and because I walk and when the dirt flick up on your foot, so now I'm like, I don't want to lotion my foot either, because the dirt and then the lotion, it's it's just the whole thing. I broke one of my nails. This one broke from when?
Smoke up, gas in the blem. Free up the guys, then dip out the ends. Jump in the ride, then burn out the rims. Don't stop, don't clutch the button. Never's in the block with the yacht for events. Skin kept close, cause you putting on them with the tips on 10. Back in the back, that's on tap. Ready to go and jump out.
On my way to Naru, I'm so excited. Gonna get this skin back to life, and then at 11 I have to go and do my body contouring, my skin tightening by Cattleya. I have not been doing anything. The upkeep that I have prided myself on, or prided. The upkeep, I've been a boss, I love to do. I have not been doing. My water intake has been shit. I have not been doing any form of exercise. My appointment is at 9. I'm late. Gosh, I don't know. Put more traffic, just different dog, especially when I take bus. Well, for me, because I don't have the bus schedule down. So for me, I'm just like, I don't know where to go. I don't know what time does the bus. Okay, I'll just wait here. Is it miss? I'm gonna take something go mall, then wait one hell of a time a mall. So yeah. So finally got something, so now I'm heading to there, and then after Naru, we're going to be heading to Cattleya.
Look, I've been up since like 3 a.m. I don't hear the hate, what y'all say ain't in. All I know is go, all I know is grind. I'm on your head, all I know is climb. Just know I'm different. If I see the target, just know I'm gon' hit it. I don't know the fake, just know I live it. Anything I say, just know I'm in it. I know the ops and they lightweight. I'm in the zone and I might stay. Yeah, I'm on in the right way. Check the scoreboard, look who I play. They say sky the limit, that's too low for us. We showing up in the nosebleeds of the galaxy. When you think it's great, look, it's actually me. Yeah, it's actually me. Might just pull up on some nonsense. Ain't no limits on my conscience. I don't know, you don't know, we don't know. Stop us. I don't think nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us. Might just pull up on some nonsense. Ain't no limits on my conscience. I don't know, you don't know, we don't know. Stop us. I don't think nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us. Nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us. Nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us. Might just pull up on some nonsense. Ain't no limits on my conscience. I don't know, you don't know, we don't know.
It's a whole mood, you know it's a whole mood. It's a whole mood, yeah. It's a whole mood, you know it's a whole mood. Like this, it's a whole mood, yeah. Catch a ride, shawty really got a vibe. Take me high, mile up in the sky. And I tried to run, but we too turned up. Yeah, she said, why take it slow? I don't ride. She so real, no jack or high. She my type, she that one. I just might let it go, no brakes, cause I'm all gassed up. Yeah, thinking, I'll let you know, no, hey. Why you gotta move like that so innocent? Yeah. Looking for a girl like you, but I should've been. Maybe tonight I think I'ma let it breathe, so hold me. Yeah. Why you gotta move like that so innocent? Was looking for a girl like you, but I should've been. Maybe tonight I think I'ma let it breathe, so hold me. It's a hope, it's a hope, yeah. It's a hope, you know it's a hope. It's a hope, yeah. It's like shawty lit a fire. I was the supplier, flickering until we took a lighter.
Go for the key. Yes, I come back. Go for the key.
Mommy, outside look wet?
No, it's very wet. Yeah, and white and black outside too. Jolly mama tell me say eat already. Say you don't hungry. Gigi say you eat porridge or you eat your yogurt. Excuse from out of the fridge. Gigi making jump and jump. 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 I have 2 videos to edit. And yes. No. No. I didn't want to settle them. Film one tutorial tomorrow. You asked my name, somebody gonna put something across your back here. Stop asking me. I said no. You want to go outside, somebody got to be there with you, and I won't be able to go outside because I don't want to go outside. No, you're not going outside, and Jonathan outside. I don't listen to Jonathan and him talk to you. So you are not going outside. No. did not really listen to Jonathan. I only stayed there because they want to go outside. So go on, Jalil, while you're announcing why urinate, go on urinate. Jalil, I'm doing something, go on urinate. You kissed me, Jalil. Aww. You're so kind. It's not mine to give away.
What are you doing? For context, what was your Instagram? Oh yeah. To getting my nails to go on. I'm also taking off my nail polish because I swear I had nail polish last 2 times I had surgery, but in flashy nails that are like stiletto shape or with like all the rhinestones and all that. Am I dumb or am I stupid? I'm like my hair, my eyebrows, my eyelashes, they're real. Okay? Things people always think are fake on me, but are real. My butt and my nails, like, I promise. Oh no! Stop wearing colored nails, stop getting gel nail polish, stop getting shellac.
Destined for greatness. My name is written in stars, and I will give everything, all that I have to the cause. Fight against evil, run through the pain, battle it all, this is more than a game. I am a lion and I can't be tamed, it's how it was made, this ice in my veins, run through it all. No matter the odds, I will answer the call. The enemy knocks on the door. Even the greatest among us will fall, but the greatest will get back up. So I won't back down, and I won't give up, and I will act now, and I will stand up. They know that I'm here for it all.